Christmas came early to the Fixit Fingers workshop, and you can probably already guess what this 185cm, much bigger, 1800 watt, much more powerful, and importantly, corded circular saw is going to be used for in a project early in the new year. Apologies I haven't been getting more videos out the past month, but I actually have been getting more videos out. They've just not been woodwork related. I've been working on a massive geocaching project over the past 4 or 5 weeks. I was lucky enough to be awarded an adventure lab, and I've just put out a history and walking tour of Sydney. I know that probably won't interest most of the people here. However, there is actually a secret playlist on my channel because they're not public videos if you would like to check that out. But mostly that's going to be of interest to the geocachers among my community. Great fun. I've had some really good feedback about it so far. It's been really, really awesome. Next year will be the first new project for me. But in the meantime, I really want to just drop a quick video to say Merry Christmas to everyone and a huge thanks to everyone who's jumped on board my channel this year. That is primarily to do with two blokes. No secret about it whatsoever. I have to give a huge shout out to Dirk from Sumo's Projects and to Vic from Downunder Woodworks. After they plugged my channel, that's probably the reason that an awful lot of the people watching this video are here today. In the spirit of the season and passing on the love, there are two guys that I would like to give a shout out to. They both started around about the same time as me, maybe even a little bit before. The first one, who has been also giving my channel a plug lately, is Pallet Punter. Make sure you go check him out. He is an absolute champion up in North Queensland of Australia. What he is doing with junk wood will blow your mind. If Mark has one failing, it's that he's recently started quoting and taking heed of what I say. That I would not recommend to anyone. Awesome channel, awesome bloke, really, really supportive of the community. Pallet Punter on YouTube and Instagram, go and check him out. The second one is a bloke called That Thaney Guy. Now, Thaney's channel is not probably for everyone of the younger age bracket, just a fair warning out there, but if you don't mind a few Australianisms, it is hilarious. A lot of metalwork, not just woodwork. He's a novice like me, and what he's learning to do is much more advanced than what I'm doing here, and he really, really deserves more views as long as you don't mind a little bit of profanity. And snakes. He's got a snake. So go check out those two guys. There's a whole list of other YouTube channels that I am watching and enjoying, and out of the whole list of YouTube channels, which I really, really got to get to, but there's only so much time in the day. I'd like to say massive thanks to Ash from Woodwork and Whiskers as well for promoting this channel too, but Ash is only on Instagram. Really go check him out there and catch the Monday meetup. One last thing I'd like to mention, and that's a project that Oz Sawdust Makers, myself, Ashley and Ben started earlier this year and has been going absolute great guns. It's a Facebook group called the Aussie Makers Group, wood, metal, anything. I'll put the links down the bottom of course, but if you are a maker or you like seeing Australian makers, especially if you like supporting Australian make content on Facebook, on Instagram, and right here on YouTube, I would highly recommend you go jump on the group there. It's a really cool place. We have some fun, it's really relaxed, and you'll have the opportunity to meet and go through a lot of really, really fresh talent, and I hope that people enjoy their time there. And if you are an Aussie maker, you might be able to find a way to support your own channel through reasonable means at the Aussie Makers Group on Facebook. That's enough yabbering on, guys. More project coming up in the year. Really excited. I finally got the state of the workshop to a nice clean place again, and I'm ready to kick it off after we've had a little bit of time off with the family this holiday season. I hope you have the opportunity to do so too, and I hope you really are staying safe if you are in the eastern seaboard of Australia from all the fires and smoke, and that they are keeping well away from your precious, precious timber and homes. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll catch you in 2020.